think when I fell in love with the game of hockey and I watched my two older brothers play, being raised by good parents that push you to be, not even a good person, but a good man, and teach you how to, if you want to do something, you got to do it the right way and you got to do it hard. They drove me every single day to get better, and when you want to go to the pinnacle of your career, you got to drive yourself to get better every single day, and you got to work on your craft, and there's no days off. Who's Pat Maroon off the ice? Just a big goofball, caring, loving, big teddy bear kind of guy that just loves the game of hockey, loves people, loves my family, my kids most importantly, my wife. Growing up as a kid, going to the old arena, having my dad's van getting broken into, the stories sitting on my brother's laps during a game, and watching Adam Oakes and Brett Hall, Craig Janney, Brendan Shanahan, the guys that I grew up watching playing every single day. And to witness that and to be a kid from St. Louis and go down Market Street holding the Stanley Cup, it's something I'll never forget. I mean, you can't write scripts like that, and I think most importantly, it came full circle, and like I said, having my son in the stands, my wife, my mom and dad, scoring the overtime goal. I mean, there's a lot of, people write stories, and I felt like that was just something you can't write. And you get to the NHL, the pinnacle of your career is to win a Stanley Cup and to stay in the NHL, and I did that. And then to go on to win two more is just unbelievable.